I'm ready to work on something. We're ready for the hard work.
So ready.
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Trippin. You might have seen last week we went to Dermalogica.
Yeah, it was a very fancy time, and the place was so big and so amazing that we couldn't just do one episode there. We had to do two.
Of course. So we learned to be skin therapists last time. Now we're
Experts.
obviously experts. Now what's the clue?
Oh yeah. We just came back from lunch, by the way.
Obviously,
That's why we're back
yeah.
in the car. Okay, so the clue is lab rats and guinea pigs. Maybe we'll get Botox. I'm in desperate need.
I was like, I hope they don't do animal testing.
We're the animals.
Oh.
We're getting tested on. Hello.
Welcome back to the Dermalogica headquarters. My name is Susie.
Nice to meet you. I'm Erin.
Lily, hello. You guys are going to be receiving a tour today of the office, the lab, and the warehouse. And you guys are going to be experiencing the newest treatment we have.
Ooh.
Yes, it's really exciting. So you guys can go straight down the hall and Whitney will meet you guys right here.
Okay.
Sounds good.
There's so much mystery around what's happening.
I feel like we're walking into a fun house.
Where's the candy and the clowns?
Do you know what a fun house is?
Mirrors? Yeah. Oh, hi! Snuck up on me.
Your skincare therapists are back.
Oh yeah, you guys are ready for a tour, I hear.
Yeah,
Now
I'm
that
ready
we're
for
experts.
whatever you want us to do.
Well, you guys are gonna get an inside look at everything. So our educational wing, a little bit of our laboratory, and you guys are gonna
lab
be
rats, got it.
receiving real treatments today. So you get to relax and just enjoy.
You mean what I gave Lily was not
are
a
you
real
implying
treat?
that those
Beautiful.
Do you feel hydrated?
so hydrated?
You got to see our gray room, so you're gonna see a few of our other classrooms.
Are they also colors?
They're also colors. We have yellow, gray, maroon, blue, green. So this is our maroon room. So we're actually currently set up for one of our undergraduate days.
These beds look so comfortable. I'm like, how do you, oh my God.
I just want to touch it.
Yeah, go for it. You guys are gonna be on them a little bit later.
Oh my God, thank goodness.
So we just passed the instructor study. That's where all of the educators sit when we're not offsite or teaching. Fun fact, if you call the 1-800 number on any bottle or box, it comes to us.
But are they serious calls? Like, do people ever prank you? Because we have a
Deadly
coworker
serious.
that loves to call the number on the back of boxes, and rarely does she have a real purpose. How many people like work here on a daily basis?
That's a very good question. So the whole facility, I think entirely including the warehouse, is 450,000 square feet, and I think there's like 250 people given the day.
But like, it doesn't feel like there's a lot of people around.
They're hard at work on the other side.
They're at their desks.
We actually have a class that's going on over here in the derm lab. So we have Miss Daniela. She's gonna wave to you. She's one of our
Oh,
senior
look at her,
instructors
sipping
as
her
well.
tea. I love you.
So now we're kind of bridging the gap from our educational portion all the way into like the actual business portion of Dermalogica at our headquarters. So this is where everything happens. HR, we have our mailroom, we do everything in-house. So we do all of our packaging design, our marketing, social media, all of that is here. We actually have a working studio that's in-house as well.
Oh, wow.
So this is where everybody
This
is.
is where all the people are.
So we're actually gonna head to the warehouse. That's where we fulfill all of our orders. We do quality control. It's pretty impressive. So let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
That's so cool.
I feel like we're in like the hospital and the babies are in
Yeah. The fun thing about these
I feel like it kind of reminds me of like an aquarium or something.
Like there are
Or
sharks
like
in
we're
there.
in like a, no. We're in like a ship.
Oh, I see.
This is our warehouse.
This is large.
It kind of feels like Home Depot.
It is. It smells like
smells like a Home
sawdust.
Depot,
Yeah, a lot of
yeah.
cardboard. So every box that we ship worldwide comes to this facility for quality control. Everything from Dermalogica.com is shipped from here. So this is where it all happens. So it's a big production.
There's so much going on.
Oh my gosh, I just want to ride one of these boxes through the like, what do you call it? Conveyor belt. Right? It's kind of like the airport where you like want to ride the little, no? Am I literally the only one who thought about that?
So this is our actual functional in-house lab where we do all of the research for new products, ingredients, reformulations. Everything happens here. This is a really important place. This is like the brain of the entire operation. And you guys are actually going to work with one of our chemists to whip up a formula. So you guys can...
I don't know if we should be
Whipping
trusted
up-
with that, but let's go.
I almost failed chemistry in high school. I don't know if that counts.
I'm Anna.
I'm Erin.
Hi, Lily. Nice to meet you.
Here's a lab coat for you, both of you.
And guys, you guys are in good hands here in the laboratory with Anna, so I'm gonna get ready for your treatments, and I'll see you in a minute.
Well, we're experts, so we know what we're doing.
Okay. I'm ready to work on something. I have a ring on, it's a little complicated. We're ready for the hard work.
So ready.
Okay. Today I want to show you how we made one of the Dermalogica product. And before I start, I want to show you these two bottles. One is with water, one is with oil. If I mix the water and oil like this and shake it up, and within a few seconds, you see it separated. However, with the chemistry of the emulsifier would help us to bring the water and oil together. It's just like a marriage.
Wow.
And the product I want to show is the spot fader, the Age Bright Spot Fader, which is just recently launched, I think a week or two ago.
Wow.
We used it in our last episode.
Wait, so you helped create that here in this lab?
Yes.
Like literally in this room?
Yes, all the Dermalogica product is developed in this room.
Wow, you're so smart.
We're in the presence of greatness.
For safety, we have to chain it first. And we have the key here to lower the propeller down.
Wow, this is a place I absolutely would never be able to work because I would really burn the place down.
Have it mix. And in this one, I have blend of thickeners and also emulsifier.
So it's kind of like when you're cooking like cornstarch, like thickens your gravy or your sauce.
Yes,
Because you know.
I totally knew that.
And add it to the water. The trick is you have to slowly add into the water so that it's not clumps up.
Wow, look at it. It's almost like a
It's already
jelly or something.
Jelly thicken up. This one would take about like half an hour for it to fully hydrate it.
Oh, wow. Just for that little amount?
In production, they have a bigger tank, bigger the machine, so it would take about the same time because of that.
Makes a little more sense.
Yeah. Wow. So while we're waiting for this one to update, I have this batch here.
Oh, great.
It's like a cooking show.
Are you Rachel Ray of the lab?
The next step I'm gonna add is, this is my oil, in which the spot fader has a salicylic acid in there for acne skin. So salicylic acid already pre-dissolved into this oil phase. And now I'm gonna add this to here. The moment I add when all of the oils come in, it will turn into kind of milky.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
See, this become kind of milky already.
Wow, it's so milky. Why'd you laugh?
Please say milky one more time.
Creamy. So since you guys create everything right here for all the Dermalogica products, how many batches or how much product do you go through until you finally nail it?
It would take about 3 to 5 batches. You get the base.
Okay.
But when it comes to aesthetic, because we have a team of panelists who testing the product, so a lot of time it's like one like this one and the other one like the other one. Is
A lot of cooks in the
Always
kitchen.
changing
a
it.
lot of try and errors. The oils are in, then we have to add the preservatives.
And if you didn't put some sort of preservative in, what would happen?
You don't want to open the product and you squeeze out and you see the green stuff.
Yep,
or-
no. I'd rather not put gross green stuff on my face.
So let's make it for a few minutes, and then once it's homogeneous, we can take it out, and then the batch is complete.
A few moments later.
This is what it looks like.
Oh, wow. It doesn't have a scent.
Doesn't have the scent yet.
It's so milky.
So this is done, but sorry, you cannot try it in the lab right now because it's not passing the QC yet.
Oh, that's understandable.
However, next time when you have a treatment, make sure that you have tried the spot fader.
If only we could do the batch that we helped with, but.
Thank you for having us. You're the best.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you.
Hi, ladies. Welcome for your
Oh my God, we get to get the bets.
I know.
All right, perfect. So we're gonna be doing a completely customized treatment. It's called the Pro Skin 60. So it's our full service treatment that's going to alleviate any concerns that you have. And we're gonna be using some products, actually one of the products that you just whipped up in the lab with Anna. So we'll be walking you through that.
That's so cool.
So Melissa and I will start with a consultation and analysis, and we'll customize from there.
Great.
Okay?
Ready.
Ready?
Dive in.
BT Micro. It's an ultrasonic technology to remove the exfoliant and the cleanser to really help with that cell turnover and improve your texture.
Love it. This is like my favorite, the steam. I know I'm not supposed to go in too deep, but it just feels so nice.
I'm gonna put a steam towel on you.
Oh, okay. Even better.
It's really nice. We're gonna do a serum and then a mask on top, and then we'll penetrate it and then do some LED as well.
Ooh.
So really nourish the skin.
And now we're using our Age Bright Spot Fader, which you guys mixed up in the laboratory. So this is gonna be another dual active product. It'll help heal, but also it's gonna help to fade those spots.
So Erin, again, I don't want to insult you, but I prefer her facial.
You know what people say before they insult you?
No,
I don't want to insult you, but...
Alrighty, you're all set.
Let me help you out,
Yeah,
Erin.
let me help you out of your very heavy blanket.
Shall we?
I guess we have to leave.
I know, we can come back. It's only like 40 minutes away.
What a day.
Lils, I feel like I want to move in.
I do too. And there's an In-N-Out nearby, so it really checks all the boxes, it seems.
Let us know in the comments what else we should do, you guys, because I feel like we've done it all, but I still feel like there's a world we haven't uncovered, but we need your help.
We say that and then we do something new and I'm like, oh.
There's more.
Y'all, that was so much fun.
So much fun.
So much fun. And if you want more fun, like a big roller coaster ride, you better click right over here because we have another awesome Clevver style video.
Do it, do it, do it. And subscribe. And subscribe.
Subscribe right down there. And comment or whatever.
Yeah.
Just do
All the things. Jinx.
Jinx.